Hey everyone, thanks for checking out ViTAC's basic home first aid kit. Open this up for you so you can check it out, but of course read through the content list so you can check it out for yourself on everything. All right, comes in this pouch. It's nice, quick grab, easy to go with a few compartments to keep yourself nice and organized. In the front, it's gonna come packed with all kinds of Band-Aids, big, small. It's gonna have some gels in there, some triple antibiotic ointment, burn gels. All that. It'll have steri strips in there for wound closure along with liquid skin. It'll even have bleed stop powder as well as a hemostatic gauze from Quick Clot for those wounds that just won't stop bleeding. It's got other kind of gauze pads in there. It's got a huge bottle of eye flush to be able to flush out if you got anything in your eyes. It's got another set of tweezers for splinters. It has a instant cold pack. It's got all kinds of conforming gauze, other gauze pads, triangle bandage to be able to make a quick sling if you hurt yourself or kid hurts yourself falling out of a tree. You even have a splint in here, so that way you can make yourself a nice splint to stabilize something. Some Cobain, an Ace wrap. We even have athletic tape down here for those twisted ankles or to help tape up gauze and things like that. Also in here, you're gonna have your alcohol wipes, your BCK antiseptic wipes. Everything that you're gonna need really above and beyond the basics, we also got in this thing for everything you might come across in the home. So again, thank you guys so much for checking out ViTAC's basic home first aid kit. We appreciate you.